Hey, Delonte Peterson here with ICG Independent Capital. Here at the Banks Avenue property. We just closed on it a day or so ago, and we're already at work. We're replacing a portion of this retaining wall that was buckling, and we're already replacing the roof. Getting those done. It's sunny. Get those things you got to do while the weather permits, because it's on the exterior. So as soon as we close, we get to work. So now we're in the inside the house. So even before we close, once you know you're going to close, especially if you're doing cash, you can go ahead and start doing some of the small things to the property. So even before we close, we started trashing out the property, so you can actually see the floors and nothing's on the countertops. Cabinets are clean. So the house actually looks much bigger than what it looked like with all the junk everywhere. So now you can actually see what you're working with. But these are some of the things you learn in our boot camp, because the average person walking in the house, all that trash is all over the place. You walk out because it's cluttered. You can't really see what's going on. So it's a lot of things that you'll be questioning. So this room is actually much larger than I thought it was when I first saw it. So this is actually a great deal. This house bought it for $63,000, and easily, once we get done, we're probably gonna put about 30,000 in it. And once we get done, the house easily worth $150. And it's not a traditional flip. When most people talk about flips, they're referring to buying, fixing up, selling. But a flip is still buying, fixing up, and refi. You know what I'm saying? You're still flipping the house, turning it over. You got different strategies to achieve the same goal. And we're here in the upstairs bedroom. These are the bedrooms that's not even on the county records. And they're actually pretty good, decent size. So if somebody has like 3 or 4 kids, 2 of the kids can be upstairs, have their own like little ensuite. So once everything is cleaned out, houses look totally different. We're gonna take up the floors. It's nothing but linoleum laying on the floor, and put something nice and neat down. And the thing about Section 8 deals is that you don't know where people are coming from. Some people, if you see some of the Section 8 houses that I've been into back in the day, they live in file. There's no other way of explaining it. Landlords or slumlords, they do bare minimum to maintain the Section 8 status, get inspections approved. But when you have a nice, neat, clean place for somebody to come and everything is functioning, looks brand new on the inside, especially, people would take care of your stuff if they come into the situation and everything's up to par. So you got to give people something to feel good about when they come home too. So until next time. And be sure to register for our class August 22nd. The time is coming. We're a little more than a month away. So until next time, bye.